In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Forms responses to Ms. Excel spreadsheet. This is a helpful workflow anytime you are collecting survey answers, signups, or simple data entries in Google Forms. But you need to work with the results in Microsoft Excel. The basic idea is that Google Forms stores responses in a connected spreadsheet, and then you download that spreadsheet as an Excel file. Start by opening your form in Google Forms. Make sure you are viewing the correct form, especially if you manage several. Once the form is open, look along the top area of the page and select the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms organizes all incoming submissions, and it is also where you can connect your responses to a spreadsheet. In the Responses area, go to the top right and find the green View in Sheets icon. When you select it, Google will open a Google Sheets file in a separate browser tab. If this is the first time you are viewing responses in Sheets for this form, Google may create a new spreadsheet automatically. If one is already linked, it will open the existing sheet. Either way, you will now see your form data laid out in rows and columns, with each new response appearing on a new row. Take a moment to confirm everything looks correct. You should see column headers that match your form questions and your response entries beneath them. If you do not see any data yet, it may simply mean the form has not received responses, or you are viewing the wrong form. Now you are ready to move it into Excel. In the Google Sheets tab, open the File menu, choose Download, and then select Microsoft Excel. This will download an Excel version of the spreadsheet to your computer, usually as an .xx file. Save it somewhere you can easily find, like your Downloads folder or a specific project folder, and then open it in Microsoft Excel. Keep in mind that this download is a snapshot of your data at that moment. If new responses come in later, you will need to download the sheet again to get the updated results in Excel. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.